Welcome, my people. Dancehall skilla there here again with more information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, now I got information that a man had been shot and injured by an unknown assailant in Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago on the 14th of July the year 2022. And I also got the understanding that there's a video circulating certain places on social media that shows some things that happened during, before and after the incident. According to more than one news articles that I read and according to posts that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that the person who had been shot and injured had been identified as Joel Williams. Now when it comes down to the age of the person who had been shot and injured, viewers and subscribers, I got more than one information about the age of the person who had been shot and injured. So therefore I'm not going to mention any of those information that I got for a certain reason. You understand? But anyways, according to more information that I got, it is said that sometime after 12 p.m. on the 14th of July the year 2022, the person who had been identified as Joel Williams was at a certain location within Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago, when he had been approached by a man who opened fire, hitting him in the head. It is said that the gunman then fled the scene on foot. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how many shots had been fired, and I don't have any confirmed information as to how many times the victim had been shot. No. It is said that the police was alerted about the whole situation, and the person who had been identified as Joel Williams was taken to a hospital where he undergo medical treatment. Up until Thursday evening, viewers and subscribers, I got information that the victim was admitted in hospital in stable condition. I don't have any confirmed information about the victim's medical condition after Thursday evening, viewers and subscribers. See? But you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. Alright? Now I also got information that the police are doing their investigation to determine what's the cause of the attack. And I also got information that the unknown assailant was wearing a certain type of clothing, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, in one news article, it is said that the unknown assailant who opened fire hitting the person who had been identified as Joel Williams was wearing a blue shirt, black pants, and a type of hat that is believed to be a fisherman hat. Is what I'm saying to you. And in another news article, I got information that the unknown assailant was wearing a Blue Water and Sewerage Authority shirt. Is what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers. So I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I want to say this to each and everyone, that if you have not yet subscribed to Dancehall Skilla channel, please do so that you can get accurate information and you don't know me there to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. You see it?